Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new release from Solido at the 118 scale, this Porsche KSR. This is the orange variant. Also you can see in the background there the green one. If you want me to review that too, please let me know in the comments. This is a metallic model that features opening doors and also functional steering. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights, which look pretty good. Also we have the Porsche logo there and the KSR on the windshield. We have the turn signals, and also have these massive grills which sadly aren't perforated, and we have this front splitter which looks pretty good. On the side we have the wheels looking very nice. Sadly mine has a chip in the chrome here, but other than that I don't see any damage. Also we have Yokohama written on the tire as well, and the tire tread looks pretty nice, semi-slick. Also we have the brake caliper and brake disc there in the back, which look pretty good. Also we have written Brembo on the brake caliper. In the back we have this very interesting setup. We have this huge wing. Also we don't have a rear bumper. We have Porsche on the written in the stoplight. Also we have KSR, and also I think they try to replicate the LED stoplights. And the this setup with the turbos and the exhaust looks pretty good. A collector which is a friend of mine was concerned about this how this is going to turn out, but I think it looks pretty good. Also underneath the model, this looks quite nice, from the engine all the way to the back. Not many details in the rest of the underneath the model, but I think this looks pretty good. Also would have been interesting. The green one has the same green on the turbos. I don't know if they made all the green, or would have been nice to have this in orange, in my opinion. Let's open the door. Let me use this. There we go. Let's check out the interior. I think it looks pretty good. All Solido have done a great job at the interior, in my opinion, for the budget. Also we have a manual gearbox with 3 pedals, and also we have a lot of details on the dash. Also have the back seat as well. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this model, and tell me if you're going to buy it in orange or green. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.